got three babies. You got three beautiful babies. Good morning, welcome to another episode. Yesterday we just came to Ouzoud Waterfalls and we rented this beautiful room. This is separate. We are in Ouzoud Waterfalls. Looks really amazing. It's a beautiful view from the top of this mountain. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh. A lot of restaurants and cafes all on the side of this mountain.
Man muss von dort gehen, links, nicht da.
I see the steps.
Man muss von hier unten.
Yeah, we wanna go down.
Aber wir können von dort gehen und dann gehen wir zu.
Maybe we can catch the way from there, or I think it's almost there. I have to go back. Mal links eine Affe, ja. Schon aufpassen, da ist eine Affe. Ja. Schon gut aufpassen, die ne? Aber das sind nicht die große. Nein. Ich glaube auf die andere Seite. Nein. Das sind nicht die großen.
Nicht diese Wasser.
Ah, ja. Vielleicht von unten sieht noch anders. Seite.
Hat so viel geregnet,
Ja.
und hat nur das.
Ja.
Cool.
Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, I think so. What a beautiful. I think it is a resort in front of the waterfalls. We're trying to go downstairs to catch the view from the bottom of this mountain. A lot of olive trees. It's still hot. We are even afternoon, and it's still hot. It's this is almost 5:30, and it's still hot. Ich weiß nicht, wie viel es da bestimmt ist es soll. Hier? So auch Touristen sind auch von hier gekommen. Die gehen auch von. Das ist von hier, alle gehen von da. Ja. Okay.
Ich komme von Portugal.
Ja. Ich will auch das filmen. Oho.
Ja.
Ja, sieht cool aus.
Ja.
Ja, sieht wirklich cool aus. Oh, das. Gehen wir. Willst du etwas machen hier? Fotografie? Oh ja. Sieht cool aus. Auf die Brücke auch ein schönes Foto, bestimmt.
Er ist gesprungen von da oben.
Ah ja. Yeah. See a lot of monkeys. I have to be careful.
Again, Taiwan, no, please.
Yeah. Again in Thailand. We survived things like this in Thailand. So a lot of monkeys now in Morocco. Ouzoud Waterfalls. Also many monkeys everywhere. Have to be careful of. Take care of your belongings. Yeah, beautiful. We already almost arrived. Wow, what a beautiful view. What a beautiful place.
Good, Francisco.
Wow. From here you can also take this boat just to go in front of the waterfalls to enjoy the sound and the water. It's not so far. Very beautiful place. Yeah. So I keep walking to go to the bridge, and from there we can have the best view to the waterfalls. Wow. I think
Hi, the boat.
boats or canoes. Just being here. Hi. Oh, a beautiful view from here. Wow, this is massive. This is beautiful. Cool. You can also just come to this bridge, and from here I have a really massive view. It's a beautiful view from here. Yeah. can either come from here or from the other side, but I think this way is much easier to reach the Ouzoud Waterfalls.
Or quick.
It's quick. And all along you have souvenir shops, restaurants, coffees, yeah, and a best view ever. I said, wow, this is one of the coffees. You can have a best view ever from here. Wow, massive, it's beautiful. Wow. Cool.